Everybody, today we are gonna install my carbon fiber hood because my other hood became so bad. I'll show you guys in the video in a second. Today is such a beautiful day, amazing day today to work and do some stuff. Nick already did some cutting before, so we're just gonna continue. He's gonna continue to do it. Let's see how it worked out. This is my little brother's car. He got a nice truck for sale, and let's see. All right, Nick is installing my carbon fiber hood on my car. I gotta get the BMW bag because it's a BMW still, right? My old hood is so bad, correct and everything. This will definitely make the car look so much cleaner and neater. All right, cut. Now he will trim a little bit and glue all the stuff and make it look better.
You just want to think the hood on this different carbon fibers.
It looks better than before. What are you doing here, little white boy? You're doing his thing.
Making money.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
You know, pumping away.
Pumping away.
Who's he
Pumping
filming
away.
for? Who's he filming for?
For my last Alex the Russian channel, even though you're from Ukraine.
That's crazy, dude. How many subscribers you got?
I got 1,641. It's not bad. It's getting there.
You post hella?
Damn, that's beautiful.
Watch out, cut.
You're working on my time right now, Nick.
Wanna go more?
Alright. Lower it.
Nick.
Carefully.
How fast is this bitch lower?
Motherfucker, if you pop my hoses, будешь это, выплачешь потом, блин. Давай. Поехали. Аккуратно! Окей. Доброго ранку.
Nick Tiki Racer right here. Dimitri doing some bullshit.
Careful. Nick, lower it in, push it in more. No. Careful.
That's how they put a V8 in a truck.
Like
So Dimitri can sell
lower down, Nick.
the shit and make some money.
Stop. Hold up. All right, Nick. All right, lower down now. Аккуратно.
There, you got some metal shavings right there. Is that okay?
That's not metal shavings. Ой, блин. Давай, блядь. Стой.
Don't cuss, bro. Don't
Стой.
cuss. Stop cussing.
Стой.
You're cussing too much, little white boy.
You heard that? You're cussing too much.
Okay, Nick.
Oh shit. We just recorded the whole thing again.
Damn, boy!
Woo! That sit down
That's how
perfectly,
you put the
bro.
motor in right there.
Sit down perfectly right inside. I recorded that thing. Good thing I did.
Damn,
I was about to show the video.
Bro, that was all you, dog.
Hey, luckily it didn't fall over here, though.
I know.
That's true.
It wasn't that high.
That's true.
Shit.
Wow. That is cool.
Russian style.
Damn, it didn't broke nothing, huh?
No. It might have bent a bolt, but I think we're all right.
Yeah, I think it's good. Good thing this piece right here came out.
Next one. You're ripped freaking strap, dog. Because I knew that seatbelt was gonna rip. I thought it was gonna rip when we were unloading it from the truck.
What's happening? Yeah, and we got it on video too.
You gotta send me that shit.
Yes, that's hella funny. All right, and the hood looking much better. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah. It requires a lot of cutting to make it work. This hood is kind of heavy, bro.
You want to take it back out or something?
This hood is heavy. Heavy as hell. Damn.
Good old Russian style. Seam sealing this whole together. Or window gluing it. Oh, yeah.
Dima, I got your video of how you drop the motor in there and help post it. But it's for fun, it's okay, who cares? It's nothing bad.
Let's do a bit, we'll fucking drop a 5%.
Where? From the top of the, from the top?
We'll do a durability test, yeah. I'm just gonna fucking fold in half. Like,
Who?
your fucking car. So your mom, huh?
How long is the business running?
Oh, well, I mean, her brother's
So,
so, right? Her brother's kind of like,
There is this couple back in the day named what's her name? Lloyd
And guys, it's pretty much done. All I'm gonna do later is wet sand the hood, ceramic coated. Nick did an amazing job. Look how clean it is. Like there's no air coming inside. Wow. Way better than the other one that I had. He also adjusted the hood much better than I used to have the hood before. Looks so much cleaner. Now I'm gonna get a BMW badge and this piece is for the bumper. Alright boys and girls, I'll see you guys later. Subscribe, like. Ой, ты мой красивенький, you wanna drink some coffee? Моя лапочка. Looks so much better, guys.